Hey everyone! I'm excited to show you DebateMaster-AI, a real-time AI debate coaching application that I built for this hackathon. This project leverages Google's Gemini Live API for bidirectional voice streaming, and I built the entire thing using Kiro IDE. DebateMaster-AI is like a comprehensive coaching platform that analyzes your performance in real time, tracks your progress, and helps you become a better debater through AI-powered feedback. Let me show you how it works. On the dashboard, you start by entering a debate topic. Let's say impacts of social media. Then you choose your debate style. Coach mode for supportive, educational feedback, or fierce mode for aggressive, challenging opposition. Before we start, you'll need to configure your Gemini API key and settings. The app supports multiple Gemini models. You can switch between them based on your needs. Once configured, you hit Start Debate and the magic happens. The interface shows real-time audio visualization, live transcription of both you and the AI, and a running timer. The AI responds naturally through voice, challenging your arguments and pushing you to think deeper.
That you can learn new skills, get news quickly, and find helpful education content. Like anyone can share their opinions and experiences, even people who usually don't.
That's a great point about learning new skills and accessing educational content. It's true that social media can democratize access to information.
When time's up or you end the debate, that's where things get really interesting. The app generates a comprehensive, modern performance report. You get an overall performance score calculated from multiple factors: argument quality, confidence, coherence, persuasiveness, and more. Look at these detailed metrics, like the vocabulary, richness, confidence level, argument strength, response time, engagement score, etc. Plus, you get personalized AI-generated suggestions for improvement. Next, the Activity tab is your performance dashboard. It tracks your overall record with beautiful visualizations. And here's something unique: the persona system. As you debate, the app analyzes your style and assigns you a debate archetype: the strategist, the orator, the analyst, or the diplomat. Each persona has its own strengths, and you can see your evolution across different archetypes. The app also features an achievement system. Unlock badges for different milestones. It gamifies the learning experience. Now, let me show you the real star of this project: Amazon Kiro IDE. This entire application was built using Kiro's powerful AI-assisted development features. Let me walk you through how I leveraged Kiro's capabilities. I used Kiro's spec-driven development extensively with a multi-spec approach. Instead of one massive spec, I broke the project into 4 independent feature specs. As you can see, Debate Master Design, which is the core debate functionality, and Gemini Live API integration, the Activity View, Persona Showcase, and Live Debate UI redesign. These multi-spec approach was game-changing. For example, the Persona system required analyzing debate patterns, calculating archetype scores, tracking evolution, all planned in its own spec before writing code. Meanwhile, the Activity View was being developed in parallel with its own spec. No merge conflicts, no confusion about what belongs where. I created 3 steering documents that guided Kiro throughout development. These steering docs were crucial. Every time I asked Kiro to build something, it already knew what to do, like following our component architecture patterns, etc. Whether I was building the dashboard or the persona system, Kiro maintained the same styling, patterns, and code quality. For rapid iteration, I used vibe coding as well. I set up 5 agent hooks that automated repetitive tasks throughout development. Like, for example, every time I save a TypeScript file, the lint on save agent hook's called, and it automatically calls the required command of linting. No more manual linting. These hooks fired many of times during development. The lint hook alone saved me 3 hours of manual formatting. Then the most helpful was MCP also. I extended Kiro with Model Context Protocol to fetch, for example, Gemini Live API documentation directly into context. As you can see, I have connected to the browser MCP server. This meant Kiro always had the latest API docs when implementing features like the bidirectional audio streaming. Without MCP, I would have been constantly copying documentation manually. DebateMaster-AI is more than a hackathon project. It's a complete learning platform. And honestly, I couldn't have built this in 6 weeks without Kiro. The combination of spec-driven development, steering docs, etc. made me at least 10x more productive. Thanks for watching. Check out the repo, try the app, and let me know what you think.